This is Bob. Hello, my name is Bob. This sign is going to go up onto that log so that everyone knows who that is.
The idea is that Bob's holding onto a wire for us that holds up the sunshades so things can be a little cooler in the summer. And on this side, there's a tree that's holding all of the wires and stuff. So if the tree sways, it won't tear out the wire. Just Bob goes up and down. Although I've seen some big winds and stuff, I haven't seen Bob go up and down much. I see Bob sway a little bit. And this is Bob's new friend.
This is Bob likes to bob. That's the gist of it.
Okay.